hours. And along with that, Allison, a ton of rain too, so the flooding risk really starts to go up quite a bit tomorrow night. We'll talk more about that flooding risk and what to expect through the remainder of the weekend coming up.
As we brace for the severe weather emergency, officials are working around the clock to monitor the conditions.
We have 4029's Lykyra Banks joining us with how those state agencies are getting ready. Lykyra.
Well, the Arkansas Department of Emergency Management and the Arkansas National Guard say that they're closely watching those storms as they move across our state. They say that they're ready to send in help at a moment's notice. As severe storms roll through Arkansas, bringing widespread damage in the Northeast.
Preliminary reports indicate damage to homes, trees, power lines, and roadways caused by wind gusts, hail, tornadoes,
and the risk of flooding in the coming days.
We've really been working to fulfill resource requests for sandbags.
The Arkansas Department of Emergency Management is working with state agencies to make sure that all bases are covered.
Well, we conduct coordination calls with our local, state, and federal partners like the National Weather Service just to ensure that everyone is on the same page about potential impacts.
The Arkansas National Guard is just one of those agencies on standby.
The response process happens at the local level. The local police, sheriff's offices, they handle the request. And when it gets too big for them, they make the request up through ADAM, through their county judges, and eventually we get the request and we go respond where needed.
42 soldiers stationed in Mountain Home in Jonesboro are waiting for the call. They have high water and command and control teams ready to go.
So if we get a call in the middle of the night, we'll be ready.
Officials are urging residents to take safety precautions now.
Continue to monitor the weather for updates. Make sure you have a way to receive those notifications.
I think the biggest thing to do is really watch the weather and listen to your local authorities. And if they say it's time to evacuate you, you need to go.
Now, as a reminder, they say if you do come across any high waters, you don't want to cross it. Of course, you want to remember that saying, turn around, don't drown. They also say you want to identify your safe spots, somewhere that's an interior room with no windows. They also say you want to get on a ground as low as possible, but you also want to be able to have quick access to higher ground if flooding does arise. Live in Rogers tonight, Lykyra Banks, 4029 News.
When we're seeing rain like this, as Lykyra mentioned, flash flooding is a possibility, and it really only takes a few minutes for it to happen.
Yeah, 4029's Jacob Murphy spoke with the road department in Benton County as well as the Bentonville Fire about the impact that a whole lot of rain can have.
Well, the Bentonville Road Department has a busy couple of days ahead. They'll be keeping an eye out for flooding. And if there is flooding across the area, the Bentonville Fire Department is swift water rescue trained, and they'll be ready to assist.
Over the next 4 days, it's going to build up.
The rain is here, and it's not leaving anytime soon.
Anytime there's a significant amount of rainfall, you're going to have problem spots.
Anytime there is rain in the forecast, flash flooding is possible.
This time of year, springtime, that's when we close our roads.
The Benton County Road Department has worked all year to reduce flooding with physical changes.
The guys have put in multiple different sizes of boxes throughout the county, upgraded the round pipes and so on and so forth.
But sometimes flooding is unavoidable, and the Bentonville Fire Department knows that.
We want to always encourage people not to get into floodwaters, either on foot or in your vehicle.
And staying safe, it can be as simple as not putting yourself in a bad situation.
You just need to be aware of your surroundings.
And the biggest piece of advice from both departments today is maybe the simplest piece of advice as well, and that's to turn around if you see any water on the street that your car might not be able to get through. In Bentonville, Jacob Murphy, 4029 News.